Hi everyone, acquired a Dynex 32-inch TV. The power supply decided to go during a thunderstorm, and now I got a personal little power supply going for it. This is my 12, 5, and 7. I just need the 12 and 5, and a 24 volt universal. It's supposed to be for a laptop, and it's running the TV, and over here is the video HDMI cable. To replace it, it's going to cost about $80 just for the power supply. Might seem worthwhile. Other than that, have these suckers out. I think that one cost $30 and that one $30, so same price as a replacement part. But you can use those for a laptop or a computer also. Well, it works. There you go.